This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. Fully restored 1850s historic brick townhouse. 3 floors of living, plus roof deck overlooking river. Design is evident throughout every level of this home with white plank original flooring, custom-built island from local Sassafrass, exposed brick, stainless steel appliances, specialty lighting throughout, large bedroom with river view, private balcony and magnificent bathroom, cathedral ceiling, walk-in shower, fully applianced laundry, including washer-dryer. Hot water radiant heat flooring, central air, off-street parking provided. Open floor plan with 1 main room per floor. First floor living room 16 by 20, second floor kitchen and gathering area 16 by 22 plus small office and half bath, third floor bedroom 16 by 21 with 9 by 12 master bath, 16 by 16 roof deck and 7 by 10 rear balcony. First floor could be used as second bedroom guest quarters. For more